10, you all are welcome to the social class. In this class, we can see the continuation of the around the world first lesson. What are the colors they are using in topo sheets? They are using blue for water or ocean, and red is used to show the settlements, yellow for cultivated areas, brown for count as farmlands, then green for the scrubs. Then black is used to show all names, boundaries, railways, telephones, and telegraph lines. These are the colors. What are the colors? Blue, red, yellow, brown, green, black. These are the colors used on the maps. Now we can see the scale. The scale already we have learned. Scale is how we are using the distance we are marking with using the thread to measure on the map, and we will use that thread on the scale and we will found the place. That means 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometers means we will measure the places with that area with that small thread, and we are placing that thread on the scale. If it is 1 centimeter means on the map it is 1 centimeter means that is 1 kilometer or 10 kilometer underground it will be mentioned on the map. Through that we can learn these things. Now you see, this is the scale, that black and white, that small lines are there now. This is the lines. Then you see how we are measuring the distance on a map using scales. How we are measuring the distance on a map using scales? We will just use the thread. First on the map the curved lines will be there now, so we will use the thread to measure the places on the map. On that curves will use the thread and we will place that thread on the scale. If it is 1 centimeter means that 1 centimeter is 1 or 10 kilometer on the earth. Detailing we will get through that maps. Then there are conventional signs and symbols. What are the conventional signs and symbols? Conventional signs and symbols means the places that if it is a mosque means there will be a separate symbol. Railway road, railway track means there will be a symbol for railway track. We have learned in the 6th standard. Here you see some symbols are here. Dear children, you see boundary. International boundary is the thick line and dot. Then the state is the small. Then here we can see the conventional signs and symbols. Road, metalled according to importance, distance, stone. Here you can see that road. Then road unmetalled, that is you have learned in the 6th standard, no? According to importance, bridge. Okay, this is the second one. This is the unmetalled road. Then car track, pack track and pass footpath with bridges. This type of road, the third one. Now you can see that bridges are marked with just like the slashes are there, no? Streams with the track in the bed and defined canal. Then dams, river banks, submerged rocks, wells, embankments, railways. This is railway board, gauge, double, single with station under convention. This is in the thick lines. Then railway, other gauges, double, single with distant stone under construction. This is in the small track, no? That is a thin line. Then mineral line or tramway, telegraph line, cutting with the tunnel. That is in another one symbol. You can see this one. Here counters with the sub features, rocky slopes. See, something is different. This is sand features, flat sand hills and dunes, surveyed shifting dunes. Okay, these are just like sand dunes. You have learned that sand dunes in the 5th standard. Then you can see this here. Here what are the things are available? We can see this. Towns are villages, inhabited, deserted, fort. Huts, permanent, temporary, tower, antiquities, temple, chhatri, church, mosque, haidak, tomb, graves. Okay, lighthouse, lightship, bios, lighted, unlighted, anchorage. Then vine on trellis, grass, scrub, palms, palmyra, other plantations, coniferous, bamboos, other trees, boundary, international, boundary, state, demarcated, demarcated, undemarcated, boundary, district, subdivision, tahsil, taluk, forest, boundary, pillar, surveyed, unlocated, village, tri-junction, heights, triangulated, station, point, approximate. Then benchmarks. Then post office, telegraph office, combined office, police station, bungalows, forest, spaced names. These things are available. Now you can see one machine here, no? This is called as opsometer. It is used to measure the curved line distance on a map. The curved line distances, how we are marking, how we are measuring that, we are using the threads, no? For this small curves also, to measure the small curves also we are using the opsometer. What is the use of this opsometer? The opsometer is used to measure the curved line distance on a map. Dear children, in the next class we will see the questions and answers for this lesson. Okay, thank you children, thank you, God bless you all.